Hey everybody, this is Holly from Silver Knew Nothing, and I don't know if you've been watching, but I have been moving my craft room from the upstairs loft to the spare bedroom, and I want to show you the progress that we've made. So I'm going to flip you around and show you what we've got. There is a huge mess in here because I've got like 6 months worth of shipments that I hadn't opened because I had stopped building everything. But so we're starting off, and here I have my wall of mesh. So I've got spots for my 21-inch mesh, and then I've color-coded all of my 10.5-inch mesh, and then I'm starting to work on the far end down here. Down here on the far end, I've got my signs and some of my tubing, and I'll be putting some other stuff up there. And then it fits really well along the top. I've got a place for whether I'm making embellishments or either like finished embellishments, like this cute candy cane that I made the other few months ago, or whether it's just some lemons that I've got. A place for all of my foam so that I can make more picks and things like that. And then I have the wall of ribbon, and I keep finding more ribbon everywhere that I go. So right now I have my ribbon also sorted by color, and then I'm trying to get over the stack of boxes. There's Scott. He's up there in the corner with me. And then I've got all of my 50-yard rolls of ribbon. And then I'm moving over here into my workspace. I've got some foam for some other wreath attachments that I'm working on. And then some tubs of stuff. But what I'm most excited about, and what took me the longest, because you never really know what you have until you start to pull it all out, is the florals that I have. I have so many florals. I bought tulips for this year, and then I found tulips from last year. Got some daisies, some ivy, I've got some lemons in there. Those would be for the grapevines. And then on this side of the closet, I've been able to put all my picks together. And I had no idea which picks I had. Obviously, I've got a thing for Easter. Can't wait to put together some of my Easter bunnies. And then I've got my open wreath frames. But then I had to actually take over the spare bathroom as well in this guest room, and I'm using the closet to store all of my other remaining frames, whether it be the pumpkin frames or the candy canes or the 8 or 14-inch or other smaller grapevines. I've also got a place up there for some of my swags. So I'm really, really pleased with the process and progress that we're making here. Soon I will have all of the boxes out of the craft room. I will have the work area so that I could actually work, because right now it's all covered up. But this is very exciting for me because it's been several months, as I had said, since I've done any crafting, because I couldn't see what I had because they were all in different boxes in different places. I even have areas to be able to hang stuff now in my room, like this really cute bunny that just happens to be available currently in my Etsy shop. I love how cute he is with his 3D. All right, so that's the update as to where we are. Hopefully pretty soon I'll be making some more product, using up a lot of the materials that I have. And I can't wait to show you guys what I make next. Thanks for stopping by.